morning, students. I hope all of you are well in your home. As you know, due to COVID-19, we are unable to meet together. So, on this way, we are trying to complete your lesson or chapter. So, follow this class properly and learn in your home. So, today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is photosynthesis from class 4 subject science. So now I am telling you what is the simple definition of photosynthesis. The simple definition of photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is made up of two words, photo and synthesis. The word photo means light and synthesis means to put together. As we know, all living things require food. Animals and humans eat others animals or plants, but green plants does not eat like ours or animals. So how green plants make their food? The green plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. So now I am telling you what is autotrophs and heterotrophs. The organ that are synthesize their own food is called photosynthesis. For example, green plants and some bacteria. And what is heterotrophs? Those organisms that synthesize that does not synthesize their own food is called heterotrophs. As for example, humans, animals. So now look at the board. Here it is a picture of plants, and this is leaves. This is called stem of the plants. This is called root of the plants. Now, how photosynthesis? Let's see how photosynthesis process is held, or how green plants synthesize their own food. The main 4 ingredients for photosynthesis process. This is a process and there need some ingredients. So I am telling you the main 4 ingredients for photosynthesis process is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. First is carbon dioxide, second is water, third is sunlight, and fourth is chlorophyll. Now I will discuss how green plants get these 4 ingredients from atmosphere or environment. First of all, carbon dioxide. We know most plants are green. These leaves are green because they contain a green colored pigment which is called chlorophyll in their surface. When sunlight is striking in plants' leaves, chlorophyll when sunlight striking in leaves, chlorophyll absorb and store the energy from sunlight. Next, carbon dioxide. From where plants get carbon dioxide? We know plants get carbon dioxide through a very tiny pores which is called stomata in the plant surface. And which is stomata? A very tiny pores present in the plant's leaf surface. These stomata are surrounded by a special type of cell which is called guard cell. There are two modes of nutrition. One is autotrophic mode of nutrition, as for example green plants, some bacteria, and second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition, as for example humans, animals, some humans or animals. Now we know stomata. Stomata is surrounded. Stomata. As we learn, stomata is surrounded a special type of cells which is called guard cell. So next, green plants, from where green plants get water. This is root of the green plants. This root absorb water from surrounding soil. This root absorb water from surrounding soil, and this water is transported to leaves by steam or through steam. Like this. Next, sunlight. As we know, sunlight, when sun rays are formed in leaves, they absorb and store or chlorophyll. This is a green color pigment which is present in the leaves of green plants. Next, there is a reaction of photosynthesis process. The reaction is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They produce a simple sugar, that is and 6 molecules of oxygen. And this oxygen, and from this reaction or by the reaction, this oxygen is released in our environment and we breathe. Next, what is the function of this simple sugar or carbohydrate? What is the function of this carbohydrate or green? What do green plants this carbohydrate? Most important thing is the green leaves of a plant prepare food for entire plant. Green leaves prepare food for entire plants or whole plants. Hence, the green leaves are called the food factories of the plant. The green leaves are called food factories of plant. So, green leaves are called food factories of plants. Why? Because green leaves prepare food for whole plants or entire plants. So, green leaves are called food factories of plants. This carbohydrate or simple sugar is transported to all the parts of the plants through stem and vein. Now, what is vein? Stem means this part of plant. This part of plant is called stem. Now, what is vein? This is a picture or figure of a leaf. as you see, this is a picture of leaves, or this is a figure of leaves. As you see, this central part of the leaves is called main vein. Main vein. And this called side vein. This called side vein. So the making food by photosynthesis process is transported to all the parts of plant through stem and vein. This food is utilized by the plants. This food is utilized by the plants to produce more branches, fruits, flowers, stems, leaves and seeds. The extra food is stored in the form of starch in the different parts of the trees, such as leaves, stem, root, branch, seeds, etc. So this is that's all of photosynthesis process. And learn properly this topic, photosynthesis, and this is very most important topic in your chapter or in your subject. So thank you everybody. Have a nice